Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today topic is CPEC Project Industrial Zone Faisalabad. In this video we will discuss the different role of the FIE and we will discuss the three phases of this project: M3 Industrial City, Alam Akbar Industrial City, and Value Addition City as well. In this video we will discuss the total area of this project, and we will discuss the how many jobs will be created after completing this project, and as far as the concern of the FDI we will discuss as well. Foreign direct investment, how much investment will be invest in this project, and we will discuss the new players, how many new players will become to join Faisalabad economic zone, and how many old players are going to relocate their manufacturing units in this project. So let's start this video. My name is Rahman Dogar and you are watching my YouTube channel Struggle to Success. First, we will discuss FIE, the abbreviation which is used. Faisalabad Industrial State Development and Manufacturing Company is a classic example of PPP, where the public money is being gainfully managed by the private sector to achieve optimized results. Established in late 2004 under the Company Ordinance Act 1984 of the basis of the public-private partnership. The company managed by 21 board of directors, 16 from private sector and 5 from public sector. The role of the public sector director is to more facilitative than monitoring. The private sector director provide their services without any salary on a voluntarily basis. So if we are discussing about the mission statement, the mission of the FIE, they are called, the mission is competed to achieve orderly planned and rapid industrialization through the development of the world class industrial estate to satisfy the business need of our customers. So if we are discussing about what the objective of this organization, the objective provide world-class infrastructure to prospective entrepreneurs for setting up large-scale industrial units. If we are discussing about the SME, small medium enterprises, warehouses and related commercial concerns, poverty alleviations through employment generation, useful work environment and skills development. So if we are discussing about the major part, what they are going to be covered in this project, the first part is promote to export in all field of industry, promote tie-up between industry and the government, CSR social economic upgradation of areas, bringing foreign direct investment to Pakistan. The main objective of this FIE. If we are discussing about the total area of this project, there is two phases, as well as there is some additional city where the colonies are decided. If we are discussing about the total area of this 2 to 3 phases, which is diversified in different phases and different area located to allow for these projects. For first phase is 3,300 acres area will decided for this project. If we are discussing the phase 2, 4,300 acre will decided for this project. If we are discussing about the investment, if we are discussing about the investment of how much PKR rupees invest in this project, 400 Arab investment in PKR will be invested in this economic zone. This zone is the third biggest Asian economic zone, where you can see all the manufacturing units, some other elements which I will describe you in next after few minutes. So if we are discussing about the jobs, how many jobs will be created after completing this phase, all three phases actually. As far as the concern, the jobs creation after completing this project, 600,000 people will get the jobs after completing this project. If we are discussing M3 Industrial City, M3 Industrial City is the largest industrial state of Pakistan, launched as a landmark project to catalyze the sport development of the manufacturing sector through provision of the long life world-class infrastructure, superior commitment to quality and environment-friendly state management. M3 Industrial City has been conceptualized and planned so socially compliant as the grade, providing the industrial with an excellent environment of competing in the global market. Right. If we are discussing about the M3 location, M3 Industrial City is strategically located on motorway M4 at Sahiwal interchange. M3 Industrial City connected in north through motorway M2 to Islamabad, Peshawar, China, Afghanistan and Central Asia republics, and in south to Multan Sakhar, Karachi port and deep sea port of Gwadar through well-developed motorway network. If we are discussing M3 connectivity from the middle of the city to the location of the economic zone, the city center is 23 kilometer distance. If we are discussing about the airport, the 32 kilometers distance from airport to this specific location. And if you are discussing about the M4 motorway, so this is there is 0 kilometer, because when you enter from the motorway M4, you can enter directly to the this economic zone of Faisalabad. If you are discussing about the railway station, 16 kilometer distance from city station to this location. And you can see the map on your screen, M3 Industrial City, where foreign movement and traffic management plan as well. You can see the right upper graph where motorway M3 is showing, and this M3 is connecting with M4 when you are going to Multan and Karachi. And if you are discussing about the value addition city, on the bottom of this chart you can see the value addition city, and you can see the Sangla Hill City. Jhumra is almost a center point of this M3 Industrial City. Diptiwala interchange. There is so many routes you can connect with this specific area. If you are discussing how many companies purchase their lands and how many companies are relocated their manufacturing unit and packing units, so for 14 companies also purchase their lands, almost 15 acre lands they purchase. The government is also allow them to 2400 acre purchase to in this specific economic zone. And if you are discussing about the part 1, how much investment in part 1, 1.5 Arab dollar, like in Pak rupees, invest in how much they invest for this purpose. The purpose of this investment is to create the boundary to cover all this specific area, roads, gates, security, electricity and gas as well. So if you are discussing about the second phase of this project, the second phase of this project is Allama Iqbal Industrial City. Allama Iqbal Industrial City, this is the second phase of this Faisalabad economic zone, in industrial zone, which is the 4,300 acre specifically required for this project. The M3 Industrial City Special Economic Zone is further expanded into 3,1300 acres of land under the name of Allama Iqbal Industrial City Priority Special Economic Zone. This has been designed into a international standard to fulfill the needs of international, especially Chinese industrialists. If you are discussing about the total project area, 3,300 acres of this land with various plot size to accommodate small, medium and large scale industries. 25% of total project area has been dedicated for green areas, services and facilities as per international development standards, because they are looking for international structures, and they want to be provide the facilities which you can feel the international standards. If you are discussing about the Allama Iqbal phase second location, Allama Iqbal industrial city priorities special economic zone is strategically located just opposite M3 industrial city and interconnected through the flyover at Saimwala interchange, motorway M4 Faisalabad. If you are discussing about the city to this specific location connectivity point of view, the city center from city center to this specific location 36 kilometer distance, and if you are discussing about the airport 52 kilometer, and if you are discussing about M4 this is also the 0 kilometer, because beside the motorway this economic zone is started. As far as the concern of railway station, 10 kilometer distance from railway station to this specific location, and if you are discussing about the dry port, 20 kilometer is distance from dry port to this specific location. Like if you are discussing about the plot sizes, how many sizes they are offering in this special economic zone of Faisalabad, the plot size is available from 1 acre up to 15 acre. Can be customized according to industrial requirement. First come first serve, they allow these services, and the third phase of this project, CPEC and special economic zone of Faisalabad, value addition city. Value addition city, fully functional state of an art, the aesthetically development industrial state catering for the needs of the SME. SME means small medium enterprises. It is separate over an area of 225 acre, where near all the plots have been sold out already, and industrial have started mushrooming in this city. It has provided an unprecedented life and industrialized who are in such a piece of land where all the utilities and facilities would be available at their doorstep. Some of the industrial have described it as the most beautiful industrial state of Pakistan. Security has been given topmost priority, and effective steps have been taken to ensure the safety of asset of the investor, because security concern, if you are discussing about the Pakistan, we also seen so many mishappening and bomb blasting and so many other reasons, so investor required the full and fledged security for their assets investment, because when you are going to invest your money, you see you would like to see all the security measures, how they can manage the security. Gated community is also there. Like I'm going to discuss other specific facilitation which they are providing for the local and the international investor as well. If you are discussing about the industrial city offers, what they are going to offer to you: industrial plots for all scale industry, commercial plots, office and all outlets, 10 years income tax holidays. You have to know bear any tax when you are going to launch your manufacturing unit, packing unit, whatever you want to do. The first 10-year tax will be exempted. Duty free import of plant and machinery, centralized security system, warehouse and dry ports, public transportation and fire brigades. And if you are discussing about the focus sector of investment, where you should have to invest and how many categories they are facilitating in this special economic zone. So first thing is textile. Textile is, as you know, Faisalabad is also known as a Manchester of the Pakistan. So textile is also one of the key point where you can invest in textile. And second thing is engineering. Third one is electrical and electronics things, chemical and paints, food processing, pharmaceutical, automobiles, packing, building material as well. If you want to know about the facilitation availability, sporting commercial areas, you can see the expo center, you will see the hotels, banks, restaurant, coffee shops, and you see hospital as well there, and petrol pump and CNG station, labor colonies and helipad as well. These facilitation after completing this project, so many of Pakistani will get the job. And what you need to do, you have to learn these skills, what skills required for this special economic zone, and what is your priority, what is your passion. So polish your skills and apply for the jobs. Like so many other MNCs also started their manufacturing unit in this special economic zone in Faisalabad. Like one of the Vivo Mobile, which is Chinese giants, they are start manufacturing in this special economic zone. So hope you will like this video, like and comment and share this video. Thank you very much.